Hello, everyone. Today I'll be talking about self-compassion and mental health. So, what is self-compassion? The Mohawk word means to take care of oneself, to do the things you love to do, and remembering to rest when you need to. These are actions of self-compassion. Research defines self-compassion as the thoughts and feelings we have towards ourselves when we experience difficult events, feel pain, or wish to change the things about ourselves. In other words, we show kindness and loving care to ourselves. We have a willingness to be gentle with ourselves. 3 important research findings are: 1. Having self-compassion leads to improvements in mental health. Specifically, more self-compassion can mean more balanced emotions and increased overall well-being. 2. Trauma can change your view of yourself, others, and the world. It may impact your sense of self-compassion. The good news is that self-compassion is a skill, and what you practice grows. 3. Self-compassion is protective. When you show self-compassion, you can get through anything. Self-compassion is associated with increased joy, optimism, and resilience. How does this connect to Indigenous thinking? Kindness is an Indigenous value, and how we think about ourselves matters, and it's important. We make decisions about what we give attention to, and the Thanksgiving address focuses our attention on gratitude. When we practice kindness to ourselves, we are growing kindness, like a plant that receives sunshine and water. We can give the gift of a good mind and good mental health to ourselves. Let's break down self-compassion further. Research from our work with youth show that there are 3 important components of self-compassion. The first important component is self-kindness, which is the ability to be kind to oneself. Mindfulness, which is balancing emotions through our own awareness. And then common humanity, understanding that going through hard times are all part of being human. What are some ways you can practice self-compassion? Self-talk. Research shows that self-compassion self-talk can help increase motivation. So we're in this together. I can do this. And not be afraid to take risks. So saying, let's give it a try. I would like to see what it's like to do that. If I start to hear a negative voice telling me I can't, my self-compassionate talk might be, things take time. Maybe I can't yet, but I will be able to eventually. Healthy self-talk sounds like using a gentle and loving voice to ourselves. Persistence. Being patient with ourselves, especially when learning or going through something new for the first time, is important. We might say to ourselves, keep going, or when I try my best, things will work out for the best. Keeping our ancestors in mind for all their strong ways can also sustain us. Gratitude. Changing our perspective when we feel negative thoughts arising is a strategy. Self-talk that focuses on giving gratitude for the small and simple positives in our lives, in our environment, and in ourselves works. With every breath, I can give thanks to the trees for the chance to be myself and live my purpose. Technology can help support self-compassion skills. The Joy Pop app supports self-compassion in its journaling feature. You can see a prompt and can reflect and write about it. Some of the Joy Pop prompts are: self-compassion means you are kind and understanding with yourself. How do you practice self-compassion? Self-compassion means you show yourself love and kindness when things are going well or not so well. Does this describe you? Self-compassion means seeing yourself as one part of a bigger picture. Is this true for you? Self-compassion is a stepping stone to showing more compassion to others. When did you last feel self-compassion? Feeling like you messed up is hard. Is there a time you can describe that you responded with self-compassion? Remember that how you are feeling is okay. By engaging in self-compassion, you'll have better mental health. How you treat yourself lets others understand how you expect to be treated, which is with kindness and compassion. We are all on our own learning journeys, and we can all use some good thoughts along the way. So think about it. How can you practice self-compassion today?